As you may not know, my husband is French, so he speaks French fluently to my husband. And with me, it's very important for him to speak Tagalog. Bakit? Dahil Pilipino tayo. And I also want him to learn a language that my husband can't understand when we're abroad.
So, pala yun.
Yes, exactly. So I'm like, so it's very important for me to speak to my children in Tagalog. Not just English, because I think English, we all speak English and we're all able to do that. But Tagalog is something that I force him to speak. And now, he is also learning Mandarin. I am just shocked at how Promil has helped his brain advance. Because children at this age are like sponges. He can tell me what a giraffe is in Chinese, in French, in Tagalog, and in English. Giraffe is giraffe pala in Tagalog.
Multilingual, buddy. Nice.
Yeah. Shushin. So he can speak 4 languages, I can. But furthermore, I just wanted to talk a little bit more about their language milestones. And I also loved what Teacher Rosanna said. Sometimes if your kids don't hit those milestones, it's okay, you don't need to pressure them with it. But sitting down, focusing, engaging with them, looking at them eye to eye, and asking them questions that you think they can answer, and piquing their curiosity is so important for us moms in order to be able to build that connection and also foster that relationship with our children. So that's it. I just wanted to say thank you so much to Wyatt for creating this wonderful event.